Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Add the image to your slide and crop close to the subject so you remove less background later. Once the image is selected, double-check resolution and alignment. Low-res images make edges jaggy when removed. Make sure to lock any guides and set the slide background color for contrast, because that helps you judge transparent edges. If you plan to replace the background, prepare the replacement object or color on a separate layer, so you can test visibility immediately after removal. Now you perform the core steps. Try the built-in mask tool to create a simple cutout, because Google Slides lacks a dedicated background eraser. Once masked, use format options to tweak contrast and transparency so the subject blends. If you need fine edge control, export the image to a small external editor, remove background there, then re-import as PNG with transparency. Make sure to place the new transparent image above the slide background, so edges look natural and shadows line up correctly. Finish by inserting your new background behind the transparent image and align center, or use guides to match perspective. Once done, group the subject and background so moving the slide keeps composition intact. Export a single slide PNG for sharing. If edges look unnatural, make sure to re-import a higher resolution cutout, refine edge smoothing in an editor, or slightly feather the image in the external tool. This fixes halos and jagged borders quickly. Finally, preview in present mode to confirm the result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.